This is an example of an upgrade that I recently did. This is a relatively new notebook computer from Dell, and it came with this 1 terabyte hard drive, which is quite a bit of capacity, but I just upgraded it to a solid state drive. This one is by Intel. And the benefit here is the solid state drives are very, very fast, very, very durable. This is a mechanical spinning device, so hard drives will fail. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. This drive here is 200 gigabytes, whereas this is 1 terabyte, so quite a bit smaller in capacity, but the speed advantages are pretty significant. And the boot time on this essentially went from about 40 seconds down to probably about 20 seconds or so. And I can do a demonstration of that. So this is the system booting with the new solid state drive. And you can see how fast that comes up. It's extremely fast. It's less than half the amount of time. So it's a worthwhile upgrade, not too expensive. So just an example of one of the services that we offer here.